Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. The LTZ is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 drivability mode, trailer mode, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls available there as well. You have the full digital gauge cluster, super large 13-inch touchscreen there. You do have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it is ran by a Google operating system. Vehicle is equipped with integrated trailer braking system, push button start, dual zone climate control, automatic shifter knob, all black interior with Bose audio, and our leather heated and ventilated Silverado seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado LTZ, we have the 22-inch wheel and tire package yet to be installed, Bridgestone all-season tires, chrome accenting door handles with keyless entry up front, automatic running boards underneath the cab of the Silverado, chrome accenting mirror caps with a camera system there and LED lighting, Silverado Duramax badging on the hood and fender. Coming down to the front, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, front parking sensors there, as well as the camera system in the LTZ chrome grille. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, remote start equipped on the Duramax diesel engine, 4x4 badging at the rear, chrome rear bumper, trailer tow pack, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips there, parking sensors, and the multi-flex tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting with a single pin sunroof. 3-stage heated seat controls and USB ports. Tons and tons of room in the back of the crew cab Silverado. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.